Okay, in
It's just
Urdu,
repeat, not harassment.
wherever you want.
Hello.
Okay, everyone. Now stop talking. Just focus on the board. Yes, Azan, what's wrong? Sorry, I can't hear you.
Order or written? Order or written?
Azan, written. You have to write it on your notebook. It's written.
Ma'am, but we write this present indefinite tense.
You have to write it again. Okay, the pehchan is ta hai, comma.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, you have to write this.
Ta hai. Urdu.
T hai. ता है, ती है, ते हैं. Goodbye.
तेलता. भाई ये है. है.
ता है, ती है, ते हैं.
ये है. मैम डन. ता है, ती है, ते है.
Okay, very good. Now we are moving on to the sentence structure. Can someone tell me the sentence structure of present indefinite tense?
And we write.
G, you have to write it.
Everyone is saying.
Sentence structure. What is the sentence structure?
Where I'm writing sentence.
It's
Structure.
subject
Structure.
plus main verb
Subject.
Yes, you have to write it.
Subject.
I have to repeat it.
Plus.
You have to write everything that is written on the board. Do not ask me what you have to write and what you don't have to write again, please. Subject plus main verb plus
Verb.
object. This is the simple sentence structure. Now we are writing about the main verb. What main verb do we have to use? Can someone tell me the form of verb in present indefinite?
First form.
First form. But for singular nouns, you have to write with
Main.
S or ES.
Yes. Ma'am, we're doing present for.
Yes.
Oh, we're doing present. I
Yes,
thought
we
it
are
was
doing
past.
present. It's written right on the board. Present indefinite tense. With S or
Ma'am, we
ES.
have done it before.
Yes, I know you
So
have
many
done it.
times.
We are doing it again. With S or ES for singular nouns and he, she, it.
Main verb is equal to.
But for plural nouns, you just have to write the first form. No S and ES with plural nouns.
Ma'am, do we also have to write this open, and we have to write this with S or ES with singular nouns?
Yes,
And
I am telling you again and again, you have to write everything that is on the board. Please do not ask me this question again. Write everything
Good
that is
morning,
on the board. Good morning. For your plural nouns, you have to write first form.
And do we have to write this?
Yes, you have to write everything on the board. Without S or ES for plural nouns and I, we, you, they.
Ma'am, I don't have the English notebook.
Write it somewhere else, then tell your parents to buy you a new notebook, then you can write it there, okay? Your notebook is in school?
have. No, ma'am, it's in school. Mama,
And
don't have.
If you don't have your notebooks, you have to buy a new one because all of you need to have 2 sets of notebooks, okay? One for...
I also have don't. I'm writing on a new one. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My English notebook is in school.
Beta, one notebook
Ma'am,
will be in school and you will have to buy a new notebook for doing your classwork, okay? When you will
Okay,
return
ma'am, what
this
is
notebook to school, I will check it and you will take your previous notebook back with you and then you will do your work on that notebook.
Ma'am, is written dash equals first form without S or ES with for plural nouns and IVU. Is nothing written. Ma'am, please wait for
Because
me.
it's again main verb, Ayan, that's why I have written nothing.
Again, write main verb.
Yes, it's a continuation, beta. You have to write. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now I'm writing about the helping verb. What helping verb is used in present indefinite tense? Can someone tell me? Is there any helping verb in simple sentence? The sentence structure is written right on the board. Do not say it wrong. Look at the board, look at your sentence structure and then tell me if there is a helping verb in present indefinite tense.
Did
Who said did?
ma'am.
Look at the sentence structure and then tell me if we have to use any helping verb in the simple sentences of present indefinite tense. Look at the sentence structure first and then tell me. Any helping verb in simple sentences? Class, do we use any helping verb in simple sentences of present indefinite tense? Look at the board and tell me, it's written right there. Look at the sentence structure and then tell me if there is any helping verb written there. Grade 2, can you hear me? Can you look at the board?
Yes.
Then tell me what I'm asking. Do we use any helping verb in present indefinite tense? And who was saying we have already done present indefinite tense and we don't need to do it again?
Ma'am,
What are
do
you talking
does.
now?
Ma'am, do does.
Abuzar, I'm asking about simple sentences. Do we use any helping verb in simple sentences?
No.
Exactly. We don't use any helping verb in simple sentences of present indefinite tense.
What is this written?
No helping verb in simple sentences, but we use do, for, what do we use do for? I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. Okay, no helping verb in simple sentences, Then write do equals to, we use do for this, and then write you should cover your face before yawning. Okay, does is used for, we use does for, what do we use does for? He, she, it, and singular nouns. Are you writing everything? Because I'm going to check your notebooks. And if I don't see anything, or if I see anything missing, you know what happens then. Okay, do and does. We have written about main verb. We have written about.
अभी नहीं लिखना, बाद में लिखना, आपने ही है क्या? बैठे रहो,
Noun.
बाद में बैठ के लिखना.
I have not done.
हाँ तो लिखे ना, मना तो नहीं किया, लिखे.
तो बार बार क्या कर रही
मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा. लिखे, 3 लाइनें लिखी, कितना ज्यादा लिखा है.
Who is not writing?
आप तो लेना.
Class, you have to write this heading too.
Mama? Noun and he, it, man.
S is separate. Yes is separate. If someone sees it, it looks like source. Why did you write it like this? Where is the 1 finger distance? Now write helping verb here, and each word should have a 1 finger distance. Or I'll make you raise it all and write it here. Got it? Write from here helping verb. Class, write your classwork neatly with 1 finger distance between 2 words. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If there is no neat work or no 1 finger distance, I'll make you erase all of that and you will have to write again. So make sure you write it neatly with margin lines and date and everything. Hurry up, finish it up. We have to start the examples.
I'm done.
Okay, who is left?
I.
Who is left?
I.
Hurry up, finish it up, please.
Interrogative and negative. Negative.
Hurry up, class, finish it up.
Done.
Very good if you are done. Prepare your page then.
आगे से भी लिखना नहीं.
I'm not done.
Hurry up, finish it up.
यहाँ तक लिखना है, यहाँ से.
Do but. मुझे आगे की but we. Ma'am, please wait.
I am waiting. Hurry up.
We do not do done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes.
Very good. Hurry up, we don't have all day. Hurry up, please.
Sure. Do
Hurry up, everyone. Please finish this one so we can start our examples.
Ma'am, I'm not done.
If you are done, that's great. Those who are done, please try making a sentence with the same sentence structure as it's written in red of present indefinite tense. Make a sentence on your notebooks, and then when I will ask, you have to tell me. Those who are done, start making sentences of your own, please. Who is left? Hafsa, Bisma, Abira, Azan, Ishal, Sumama, Saifullah, are you done?
No. No, ma'am.
Hurry up, hurry up.
No. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, we can do sentence.
yes. Start writing sentences of your own.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Very good. Make a sentence of your own then.
Ma'am, what did negative interrogative mean? That negative interrogative mean that.
After doing tenses all year, you are asking me what is a negative interrogative sentence? Really? Yes.
Like this, ma'am.
Negative interrogative sentences are the questions which contain a not. Questions which contain a not. Those are negative interrogative sentences.
Okay.
Interrogative sentences are the ones that are questions, and negative interrogative sentences are the ones which are questions, but they also have a not in them.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm asking that simple and then
You just have to make simple sentences. Just simple. Ishal class mein?
Ma'am, did she not play?
Beta, you have to make a simple sentence. अच्छा मैम अभी शायद नहीं है पहले.
Did she play?
Abira, simple sentence. What is a simple sentence? Look at the sentence structure in red. Can you see the words that are written in red color? Tell me a subject, please. Abira?
Subject plus main word plus object. We only write simple sentences.
Yes. First, tell me a subject. Nouns and pronouns are subjects. Tell me a subject. Grade 2, I need a subject. Tell me a subject.
I, we, you.
Just one.
They.
Just one.
And he.
Okay. Umeed said first I. Now we are going to use a plus sign to make a sentence exactly like the sentence structure. What does the words written in red say next? Subject plus, what is the next thing?
Play. Ma'am, play.
What is the next thing in after subject?
Object.
Beta, what is written in red?
Main verb.
Yes, main verb. And where we have written main verb, can someone tell me what main verb should we use with I?
Play.
Beta, don't stop it, Abuzar. Tell me what main verb should we use with I? Where is written what main verb should we use with I? In front of main verb, can you tell me what it's written first form? And
Object.
where is I written in the main verb row, the row of the main verb?
Main verb. I.
Sas, are you able to look at
No,
the
I
screen?
can't see I. It's in.
Now it's written in blue. Can someone read that for me?
Yes. Yes.
What does it say?
Mean verb equal to first form without s or es for plural noun and I, we, you, they.
Now do you see I? That's what I was
Yes.
asking about. What main verb should we use with I? You just read it.
Yes. I play cricket.
Beta, I'm asking about the main verb. Tell me what kind of main verb should I write here? Tell me what should I write here? What main verb should I write here? Don't tell me a main verb. Just tell me the type of main verb we should use. Your answer should be, we are going to use first form without S or ES. First form without S or ES. It's written right on the board in blue color. First form without S or ES. What should we say?
First form without s or es.
Where is everyone else? I need all of you to say it aloud. What should we use here?
First form without s or es.
Exactly. First form without S or ES. Now we can use anything, any verb here. Like go, play, eat, drink, whatever you want. Now I'm going to write I play. Okay, look at the red sentence. What is the next thing? Subject plus main verb plus? Subject plus main verb plus? Look at the red sentence. What is written there?
Objective.
Yes, it's object. Now, nouns and pronouns are objects too. I play. What do you play? What should I write here?
Ma'am, we also write. I play.
Yes, you have to write it.
I play game.
Yes, I play football. Simple as that. Got it?
Yes.
क्या हो गया? कहाँ से लिखती?
I play football. Very good. Now we are done with this. We will do more examples tomorrow where I will write the Urdu and you will have to translate those. For today's homework, I am writing the homework here. Please note your homework.
अभी तो बहुत है।
It will be in the diary, but you need to note it right now. Okay, your homework is write 10 sentences in present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense about football. It's like creative writing, but you should just use present indefinite tense. Write 10 sentences in present indefinite tense about football. And your second question is, you have to make a word with each alphabet from.
Is this the diary?
Yes, it will be in the diary, A to Z. I need 26 words and 10 sentences. This is your homework, okay? Make a word with each alphabet from A to Z. For example, with A, you can make apple, aeroplane, anything like that. With B, you can make ball or billboard, break, whatever you want. With Z, you can make, like you all must like Zinger Burger, anything else, anything with that starts with Z. But all, I need the words with all alphabets, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever. Okay, this is your homework. I will check it tomorrow on camera. You have to show it to me if you have done it or not. Got it?
Okay.
So have you all done your classwork?
No.
Finish it up.
Yes.
Finish it up. Hurry up. Your classwork will be also be on the diary. In
I'm
the
done.
form.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I'm not. Ma'am, I'm not done.
Okay, wait please. Wait a second.
Ma'am, can I go?
If you are done, you can go. If you are done, you can go.
Okay, ma'am. Goodbye. Ma'am, I'm done too. Can I go?
Goodbye. If you are done, you can go. But I need the homework tomorrow.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Goodbye.
मम्मी ये वाली भी लाइन लिख रही है। जी बिल्कुल लिखती।